Take 375. I'm finally going to show you what I got from Louis Vuitton. What a beautiful bag. Okay, so I've picked up a few things from Louis Vuitton, but I promised I was going to tell you about the event that I went to. And yes, this was a few months ago. That's how long I've been mucking around. Like, don't ever come to me for the latest and the greatest. Don't come to me for you want actual detail about things. I have ADHD, I'm busy, and I forget and I get distracted. So it is what it is. You get what you get with me. Anywho, right? I got invited to this Louis Vuitton event. It was in store, Collins Street, Melbourne, and didn't know what to expect. So I thought, you know what, I'll go. Took the husband. We went and had a look. It was really, really cool, actually. They put on a runway show. They showed us all these different looks and things and everything new that was out. And it was really cool. I really enjoyed it. Got a cocktail. It was cool. Got to have a look at some other things in the store, So I actually really enjoyed it. I will put up, I'll put up some footage and detail and stuff as I'm chatting. Anyway, so in here, I showed you the bag, didn't I? I grabbed from the show a couple of pairs of shoes. Now, because it's been a couple of months, obviously I've used what I've got. So I'll just go straight into it. This is not like a flat out true unboxing. I've opened, I've used. I love them. Excuse me? Hello? Look how pretty they are. Don't we just love that chain detail? I never used to be a fan of the monogram, but I'm really starting to get into it. But I really like them. They are comfy AF. I can't even lie to you. They are so comfy. I'm a very much I kind of like a bit edgy type style, but I also like very feminine and edgy mix. Does that make sense? Probably doesn't. It's very contrast. I like contrast. I like shock. Anyway, so these are it. I love them. I love them. I can walk around you can see. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to end up with a bit of a crease around here. So I don't know how to deal with that. I'm going to probably have to look up how to deal with that because I really don't want them creased. They're expensive. Anyway, then I got these ones. These ones I've worn twice. Okay. Look at the bag they came in. Look at the detail. There's a little leather thing going on there. So you would think these are pretty comfy. Look, I'm not going to lie. They're pretty comfy. They're leather, they're suede, and they're this material. Don't ask me what the material is called. I can't remember the name of it. Will I look it up? No, I will not look it up. Why? Because I'll probably get distracted online and then not finish this video. Anyway, these are the runners. I've worn these twice. Now, the last time I wore these was probably, I think it was last week. No, not last weekend, the weekend before. I wore them with the wrong socks. I wore them for a very long time and I ended up with a massive blister. And when you're paying a lot of money for a pair of shoes, you really don't want to have to, especially runners. There shouldn't be a wear-in. Why are we doing a wear-in? What's the go with that? Anyway, I ended up with blisters. So now I'm a bit scared to wear them again, but it is what it is. So they're the second pair of shoes. So while I was in there, I was just having a look and I saw something else that I wanted. And I was like, nah, I won't get that today. And then my husband, being the amazing man that he is, did a little sneaky and went back and got it for me for Christmas. So I've been using this. He went and got me the Speedy. So it wasn't actually the one I was looking at. I was looking at the smaller one with the thicker strap. And look at, this is my little Coach. I got this from Coach, this little Rexy. I love dinosaurs. I have a dinosaur on there too because I like dinosaurs. Yeah, but this is my first little Speedy. Well, I say little because you can see it's quite big. It's got a leather strap and stuff. Holds so much shit in it. I really wanted the smaller one. I'm not gonna lie, I did really want the smaller one. And when I unboxed this Christmas Day, I was kind of like, oh, I'm really, really happy, but it's not the one I wanted. But no, I didn't really say that. I was all grateful and stuff. Don't worry, don't get me wrong. So anyway, I could have gone back and changed it. I really don't think there was much of a price difference, to be quite honest. But then I thought, why? Like, I like it. My husband brought it for me. Why should I go back and change it? So, yeah. So, I really, really liked it. And when I saw it in store, like, as I said, it was a bit smaller and a thicker strap. I liked the lock because I'm going to Europe and I'm like, oh, maybe I can lock it, like for pickpockets. But then you think, where am I going to put the key? Anyway, since then, I've decided on another bag that, fingers crossed, I get to pick up soon. So, anyway, won't go into detail about that, but there we go. So there's my like few little things that I picked up from Louis Vuitton over the last few months. What do we think? Do we like them? Do we like Louis Vuitton? Do we like monogram? As someone who never liked monogram, I'm doing pretty well with the monogram. Like, I got another one there. Like, you know, I'm doing pretty well with the monogram. I'm pretty new to Louis Vuitton, to be quite honest. I think I've only been purchasing from them for maybe like 2 years, maybe 2 years. So yeah, anyway, that's it. What do we think? If you liked this, follow, subscribe, like, comment, do all that kind of stuff. If I have a hype button, hype me up, man. Like I said, you don't come here for facts in detail. You come here for just to see, maybe, I don't know why you come here. If you do, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Liking, subscribing and all that kind of stuff, it's free. It's the only thing that we've got in this life at the moment that is free. So I do appreciate it when you do that. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao, bye.